Pledge India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and very heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall respect to my parents, teachers, and elders, and reach everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. I am proud to be a student of M.A.M school. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Maharin. Some thoughts are so powerful. They can inspire and even change our thinking pattern. So for sharing a powerful positive thought, I call upon Aksa and Varsha.
Good morning. Today's thought: if we can repeat, you can do it. I repeat. If we can repeat, you can do it. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Aksa. Enriching ourselves with word power is a way to improve our vocabulary skills. So to improve our word power, let us invite Isha Fatima to say a new word for today's assembly.
Good morning. Today's vocabulary: where did, spelling DEEDS, meaning actions. Sentence: good deeds bring us closer to God. Thank you.
Thank you, Isha. News is a way to know about the current affairs of our country and about the world too. I welcome Suridika to read news.
Good morning. Today's news: Atishi becomes third woman. Chief Minister of Delhi. Animal sighting, Tirupati Ladu. iPhone 16 available in India. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Suridika. Learning never stops and knowledge never ends. So to make us learn new knowledge, here comes Rudradev Dev to present today's GK question. Good morning.
Which is the smallest state in India? Correct answer. Which is two animals give us milk? Correct answer. What is the capital city of India? Correct answer. What is the national bird of India? Correct answer. What is the tallest animal in the correct answer? Thank you.
Thank you, Rudradev. His move His moves are well-wishing, his sayings are always inspiring and thought-provoking to inspire us and teach us to move forward with self-confidence. I would like to invite our respected principal sir to say few words to motivate us.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning to all. So after a long holiday, you all are very energetic, and your sound also seems to be very energetic. So we are going to have the exam. Am I right? Second periodic test at the same time. In a very short duration, you have main examination, that is first time examination in October. Am I right? So 2 exams are coming in. In between, there are a lot of activities are also coming in. So first of all, our students already reached there in Ernakulam Bhavan School for the Kabaddi tournament, and today they are competing with other schools in the Kabaddi tournament. Hope that you all will pray for our team. The next one, our Coco team. I think the girls Coco team, am I right, miss? Girls. So the girls Coco team, 4th and 5th in the Oxford School, Trivandrum. So today onwards you have to take practice. Because without practice, no point of competing in the CBSE sports meet. CBSE games. So you have the Coco tournament on 4th and 5th October at Oxford School, Trivandrum. So from today onwards, you must have a very good practice, because today is 23rd, I think. So 23rd, that is 4th October. So very short period. So during this time, you must have very good practice. Then you will be able to win. So you must understand that once you compete in this game, if you are a winner, next time you are going to national level. So national level competition, if you are a winner, you will be selected for international competition. These are the stepping stones. So what I am doing, that I am giving opportunity for you. Even the Kabaddi tournament, we are the only one school in Trivandrum district participating in this CBSE Kabaddi tournament. From our school only one school from Trivandrum district. So what you have to understand, that we are giving opportunities for you. So what is your duty? Your duty that you have to utilize the opportunity. You have last year also, because of a small point, we went to 3rd position. Otherwise, we are supposed to go to UP, Uttar Pradesh, for the next match. But we lost it because we are in 3rd position. If we are in 1st and 2nd position, we will be able to go to Uttar Pradesh. From there, some students may be selected in the national Kabaddi team. Likewise, now the Coco team is girls. We are giving, last year itself I decided we have to give opportunity for our girls. So we are giving the opportunity for you. If you are a winner from this Oxford school, then you will be going to the national level. So once you go to the national level, you will be selected national Coco team. So we are giving all the opportunities. Only thing is you have to use the opportunity, utilize the opportunity. That's what you have to do. Is it clear, everybody? Okay. Then other one is our Sahodaya is coming in. Sahodaya, that is 27 and 28. I think our Sahodaya in charge, Sabina teacher, might have done the registration. So tomorrow is the last day. We have to submit all the certificates and forms to the school. So tomorrow they have a meeting. So in the meeting they have to submit all the details. So those who have given the money, 200 rupees registration plus your photo. These are the 2 things we require for the registration. And we are sending 27th and 28th to Anjal. Sabarigiri school Anjal, we are going to participate. I think the winners and those who are going to participate, the name list must be informed the teachers actually. So the teachers might have already informed you your name, those who are going to participate in that program. So what you have to understand, that with the academic side, The co-curricular activities also we are doing well. So we have tried our level best to bring some prizes. So why we are giving that? We are giving opportunities for you. So next it is your turn. You have to utilize the opportunity. That's what I want to tell you. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. We will surely remember your words.
So today is her birthday and she donated a plant for our school. So for her memory, this plant will be there in the school. Thank you.
Now I invite Asatri for special program.
പീലിച്ചാമര വിശറിയുമായി പീകാംബര സന്ധ്യ പീലിച്ചാമര വിശറിയുമായി പീകാംബര സന്ധ്യ ഭൂമി പെണ്ണിനെ വീശിയുറക്കുമ്പോൾ നീലക്കുയിലേ നീ പാട് ഒരു നീലാംബരിയുടെ താരാട്ട് താരാട്ട് പീലിച്ചാമര വിശറിയുമായി പീതാംബര സന്ധ്യ പീലിച്ചാമര വിശറിയുമായി പീതാംബര സന്ധ്യ രാത്രി മല്ലിക പൂത്തു ഇതളിൽ
Thank you, Adipuri. Mother and motherland are greater than everything. All of you, please pay your attention to question. So let us invite our class choir to conclude our assembly with national anthem. Hope you all enjoy. Stay healthy and be nice. Thank you and have a pleasant day.